So the answer for the first question is 58 is having 5 tens, right? That is equals to 50 and 8 ones. Correct? So it is having 5 tens and 8 ones. So everyone, those who gave the answer are correct. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is 3 more than 36 is equals to what? 3 more than 36. Ahana, correct. Kriti, Satvik, right answer. No, it's Satvika. Arjun, Anya, Sanvi, Adesh, correct answers. Then Kiasha also correct. 3 more than 36. Naisha, come on. Janvi correct. Kiasha correct. I'm not getting answers from Satvik, Sanvita, Vivan. Okay, now Vivan and he gave the answer. Correct. Siddharth also correct. Others, Fatima, come on, give your answer in the chat. Ryan, Arjun, and Vihana, turn on your camera. Okay, so Sanvita gave for the first question. That is correct. Nishchal, Satvik, Naisha gave for the first one. Correct. Okay, so the second question was 3 more than 36 is 3 more than. More than is when you add 3 to any number, like when you add something. So 3 more than 36 is 39. Shonit, you were wrong. It is 39. Satvika is right. I mean Sanvita. Now let's move to the next question, that is descending order of these numbers. You have to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order, keep in your mind what is descending order. Ahana Rao, correct. Super Ahana. Vihana, give the answer for the third one. Descending order of these numbers. What is descending? Keep that in your mind and then respond, okay? Then give your responses. Anya is correct. Adesh, think what is descending order? You have given the other way. Adesh, check your answer again, okay? These are the number 23, 90, 67, 34, 56. You have to arrange these numbers in descending order. So what is descending? Okay, Satvik also gave wrong. Adesh, now you are correct. Kriti is correct. Sanvita, come on, give your answers in the chat. Arjun, wait, Arjun. Sanvi is correct. Vivan is correct. Good. So descending order is what? When you arrange the number in decreasing order. That is from the bigger to the smaller. So all those who gave 90, 67, 56, 34, 23, that is correct. Now Siddharth, Satvika, Vivan also gave the correct answer. Okay, descending order is when you do it in decreasing way. Counting backward. Correct, Naisha. Good one. Okay, now 7 less than 27 is when you do, what is 7 less than 27? Think what we will do. Shonit, you are correct. Okay, Sanvi, Siddharth, Ahana, Kiyasha, Anaya, Anya, sorry, Anya, it's Anya. Correct. 7 less than 27. I'm waiting for the other responses. Mohita, where is your answer? Kriti, correct. Satvika is also correct. Good. What about other children? Fatima, Arjun, your answers are not coming. Dheer, you are doing wrong. Dheer, you have to arrange that in decreasing order, not in increasing order. Aditya is correct. So 27, if 7 less than 27 is when you subtract 7 from 27. Right? So the answer will be 20. Okay, Arjun. Now the last question is shape that has 4 sides and 4 corners. Which shape has 4 sides and 4 corners? You can write any shape which you know. Siddharth, Satvika, Anya, Adesh. Right answers. Vivan, write the name of the shape. Ahana is also correct. Superb, Ahana. Sanvita, correct. There are many shapes which has 4 sides and 4 corners. You can write any of one of them. Siddharth is correct. Janvi is correct. The spelling is wrong. Then Mohita, correct. Spelling is wrong. Shonit is correct. Aditya is correct. Vivan is correct. Adesh, very good. Square is correct. Ryan. Okay, so the shape that has four sides, we have many shapes. We have quadrilateral. A lot of children are giving the answer for the quadrilateral. We have square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and many of you have replied all those answers. That was amazing. Good. I've unmuted you all.
Ma'am, when are we going to start the activity? What are we going to do with the Rajma cake?
That we will do it. I will. If you will not follow the class rules, you all forgot the class essential agreements, no? Everyone forgot, no? Everyone?
I can't hear anything.
Because everyone is screaming in the class. You all want me to mute you all the time? No. So please follow the class rules. Okay. Now, as you all are saying,
I want to say something. What are we going to do with the seeds?
If you will let me speak, then I will tell you what we are going to do. So in today's class, we are going to learn about skip counting, right? So we are going to do something related to the skip counting. Now, I just wanted to know who all know skip counting. Already those who know. Raise your hand, that's all. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of a skip? Anyone? What do you mean by?
This is Arjun.
Yes, Arjun. Yeah, Arjun, I got to know that you gave all the answers initially.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am.
Okay, Anya, I'll come to you. So Sanvi will tell what is a skip, Sanya? Sanvi? Skip. Sanvi, unmute. Skipping the numbers. Okay. Anyone else? Ahana, what is the meaning of skip? Only the word skip.
Jumping and counting, leaving you.
Jumping. Correct.
Leaving your numbers that can equal.
Correct, correct. Superb, Ahana. Okay, I'll go to Anya. Anya.
Yes, ma'am.
What? You were raising your hand, no? So what is a skip?
Skip counting means you have to skip the numbers like 2, 4, 3, 8, 10, like that.
So skip is jumping, right? Aisha,
Yeah,
you want to say
jumping.
something?
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. So basically, skip is when we jump, right? You do skipping of rope. You all do skipping of rope.
In my old school, I used to learn jumping.
In your old school, you have learned jumping.
Yeah. I skipping the numbers, not jumping numbers. Skipping numbers.
Skipping numbers we have already done. So today
Yeah, I've
also
already
we
learned.
will do again the skipping of the numbers.
Whatever I learn. I skipped the floor blocks. Because
Okay,
many
let's
people
watch
don't
this.
know.
Let's watch this. What this girl is doing? What is this girl doing? The girl is skipping. So while skipping, what she is doing?
That is like jumping.
While skipping, she is jumping. Right? While skipping, she is jumping. So skipping is basically jumping.
Look at this.
Now, what was Bunny is doing on the side? You all can see Bunny.
He's walking.
He's also walking forward and jumping.
He's jumping and walking. He's jumping and walking.
He is also jumping and he's moving forward, right? Right? He's also skipping and he's jumping and moving forward. Correct? Now, can you see the two characters over here? We have a Tom and we have a Jerry. And we have some blocks over here. And now Jerry has to catch the Tom has to catch the Jerry. Okay, now he is going to skip some numbers. So he is on the number 0. Now he will skip 1 and he will jump on the number 2. Now he'll skip 3 and he will jump on the number 4. Then he'll skip 5 and he's jumping on the number 6. So this is skipping of the number. Yes.
May I go to toilet?
Yes, yes, you may go.
Ma'am, this
What?
is the skip counting of 2.
Right. So when
Mommy, ma'am.
hmm,
It's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
right, it's 2, 4, 6. So Tom was jumping from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. So some of you told that it is a skip counting of 2. So what happens in the skip counting of 2? What happens every time you jump on the second number, leaving one number in between and jumping on the second number, right? So skip counting is when we do skip counting of 2, we are jumping on every second number. When we do the skip counting of 3, we jump on every third number. When we do skip counting of 4, we jump on every fourth number. Now over here, you all can see some flowers. Okay. Now we will try skip counting of 2. So basically, we are jumping on every second object. Okay, let's watch how the honeybee is going to move on every second object. Okay. So over here we have a honeybee. So honeybee is going to move forward. So from the first flower, the honeybee came on the second flower. He's skipping the second and he's jumping on the second one. Then he is jumping on the fifth one, and then he's jumping on the seventh one. So this was the first flower, then he jumped on this, then he jumped on this, and then on the last one, right? So he jumped on which numbers? He jumped on 0, then he jumped on the number 2, then he jumped on the number 4, and then he jumped on the number 6. So basically, when we do skip counting of 2, every time, remember, we are going to jump on every second number. Okay? Leaving one in between, jumping on every second number. Right? Similarly, when we do skip counting of number 3, we are going to jump on every third number. When we will do skip counting of number 4, we are going to jump on every fourth number, right? So if it is a skip counting of 4, we will be jumping on the fourth number and we will be leaving 3 numbers in between, right? What, Satvika?
I know 10 table.
You know 10 table. I will ask you.
See.
Now everyone gets ready with your white paper.
Yes, ma'am. Skip counting.
All of you get ready with your white paper, glue, and your seeds. Whichever seeds you're having, get ready with that. Now what you have to do is, you need to draw some lines on your this sheet, okay? So how you will divide your page into 2 parts like this. Okay, everyone is going to divide your page into 2 parts and then divide it into 5 like this, vertically now. So to divide it into 5, you need to draw 4 lines in between. All of you can do like this. Okay. So how many lines we are drawing? 1 horizontal that is coming in between and 4 vertical lines to divide the page into 10 groups. Right? I'll stop this. I hope everyone has understood. Now what we are going to do actually? We are trying to do the skip counting activity. Can you all see? Can you all see how it is done? So with the help of our seeds, we are going to paste our seeds, okay, like this. So we are going to do skip counting of 5. So you will paste 5 seeds first. Then in the next group, you will paste 5 more. So 5 plus 5 will be 10, right? Then again, you will be pasting 5. So 5 plus 5 will be 10. 10 plus 5 will be 15, right? Then again, we are going to paste 5 more and it will be 20. So this process we are going to do for today's activity. I will show mine one also. You all can start doing this. See, I have done this for other class. So what is this number you all can see? I'll put in the spotlight. What number you all can see?
3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9.
So what I have done, there is the number 3. I have pasted 3 peanuts.
10.
3 plus 3 is 6, right?
4
6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12, right? Then 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. Plus 3 is 24. Plus 3 is 27. Plus 3 is 30. So this we are going to do with the number 5 today. Okay, this we are going to do with the number 5. Right, everyone?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, how many lines of ma'am?
I will show my screen.
Oh, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is this fine? I can't do proper line. So is this fine?
Sanvita, you should use your scale, no? Okay, fine. If you have already done this, it's fine.
Standing line. Okay, thank you.
You need to have 4 standing lines to divide the page.
Ma'am, is this
Anyway, you can have any number of lines. Like this you will do. Now what you can do is you will be pasting your seeds. So if you have a rajma seeds, you can paste rajma seeds. So if you have chosen dal, you can paste. So you will paste your seeds like this. And then how many you are pasting? You are pasting 5. So write 5, right? And then again paste 5 seeds like this. And then 5 plus 5 will be how much? 10, right? Then again you are going to paste 5 seeds. Then plus 5 will be 15, right? Again paste the 5 seeds. And then plus 5 will be 20. This is the process which you have to do for all the other columns.
Can we start?
Of course, Sanvita, everyone can start.
Ma'am, you share your screen, ma'am.
You want me to share my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, are these okay?
Yes, chickpeas are okay. Raj, any seed is okay. Even you can use dal, that smaller one. Vivan has already started. I'll show how Vivan is doing.
Ma'am,
Yes,
can you share the screen?
I will share. Actually, I'm just trying to do and it's buffering. 1
You
minute.
see mine, so I also have started.
See, Vivan, show yours.
Wait, for 1 minute. Can you give me like 60 seconds?
60 seconds.
Like this.
But I saw that you have already started.
Ma'am, can you see mine? I have already started.
You all place your camera in a way so that we can see your desk, if possible. Who is showing? Aisha?
Yes.
Show. Very good, Aisha. Aisha, you need to paste 1, 1. Okay, not 5 together. 1, 1. Okay, Kriti, that is fine. You can
Ma'am, look.
see everyone how he is doing. So, Vivan, you are doing in a wrong way. The same number of seeds you have to paste. 5 seeds. See how it is done?
Ma'am, this
5 seeds plus 5. Every time you are going to paste the same number of seeds. So if you are doing skip counting of 3, you will do 3 plus 3 plus 3 every time. Okay. If you're doing for 4, you will be doing 4 plus 4 plus 4 every time. If it is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay.
What about 1 plus 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 1?
Stop. You understood what I said?
Ma'am, actually 1 plus 1. 9. Am I doing the right way?
Okay, Janvi, I'm coming to you.
Can I show you?
Janvi, show. You
Ma'am,
pasted only 5.
Ma'am, Ma'am, can you share your screen, please?
I will share my screen.
We just have to paste it just 5.
Yeah, we will be doing the skip counting of 5 today. So everyone is going to paste 5 in one column. All of you are going to paste 5 in one column.
Ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am, am I doing the right way?
Who is this?
This.
Janvi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Is it Janvi?
Nishchal. Oh, ma'am.
Nishchal.
Mama.
Where is Nishchal? I can't see.
This skin.
Nishchal, okay.
10. 5.
No. Nishchal, every time you are doing wrong. Every time we are going to add 5. Right? Each column will be having 5 in it.
5.
Only 5. See, I am sharing my screen. Every time it will be having 5.
6, 7.
It will be having 5, 5, 5. Okay. And when we add 5 plus 5 will be 10. 10 plus 5 will be 15. Right. Now write the number. Nishchal, write the number below. Write number 5 in the first column.
Is this correct?
I will come to you. 1 minute. Nishchal, you write the number 5. Write number 5. Now 5 plus 5 is how much? 5 plus 5 is how much? Write that number. Correct. Again, you will paste 5 and add 5 and write the number. Right. Now you're correct. So you will paste only 5. No, add 5. Okay. 15 plus 5 is how much? Now you're correct. Okay. So this way you have to do. See how I have done. If you see I have chosen the number 3, right? I have chosen the number 3. So I have pasted 3 every time, right? I have pasted 3 each time. And when I add 3 plus 3, this is equals to 6, right? Then plus 3 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, right? Plus 3 is 18, plus 3 is 21. Again, I added 3 more and it is 24. Add 3 more, it is 27. Add 3 more, it is 30. So what I am doing every time, we are going to do the same number every time, okay? And we are adding the same number. Yes, Kriti, I'm coming to you. You're right, Kriti. Superb. This is the right way. Let's do this way. I can see your face also. Start doing your work. Okay. Nishchal is already set to do. And this is Kiasha. Wonderful Kiasha. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. See, Kiasha is doing so nicely. Kiasha, in the fourth one, you have not pasted 5 in the second and in the fourth one. I mean, in the third one, in the fourth one.
After Kiasha.
I will come to you. Kiasha, see the third column, how much it is having?
Ma'am, I have pasted.
How much it is having in the third column? 15, where you have written 15. How much it is having? It is okay. It is there. 5 is there. Okay, fine. And in the
Can you see mine, ma'am?
I'll come to you. Naisha. Wonderful, Naisha. Try to complete your task. Try to complete, okay?
Yeah.
Anya, show.
Yes. And come to mine
You are
too.
showing no, Anya. Okay. Nishchal is right. Kiasha is correct.
It's up here.
Anya's. I will check Anya's. Correct, Anya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anya,
Yeah.
can you check the second column of yours where you have written 10? How much it is having?
It is having 10 only.
It is having 6. You should be having 5.
Sorry.
Okay. Now it is correct.
Sorry. It was
It's
not
okay. It's
sticked.
okay.
It was
No,
not sticked only.
It's okay.
It fell down.
Okay.
It's carry 15, ma'am.
Fatima,
Yes.
what are you saying?
She minds, ma'am.
Can I share my screen? My screen, which one you want to see? This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is having 5. Then I have added 5. Then again add 5. And each time you add 5, just write the number. Okay.
I am right. I finished. 1, 2.
You already finished? I will come to you. Oh, Ryan, you're not doing it correctly. Ryan, see what is the concept? Every time we are going to add the same number. So 5 plus 5, you have to only stick 5 in one column. And when we will add 5 plus 5, it will be 10. Please watch this. Please watch this, how it is. Can you see, Ryan? 5 are there. And I have written 5, right? Again, I added 5. It becomes 10. Again, you add 5, it will become 15.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2,
Because it is a repeated addition. The same number we are going to repeat again and again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right? The skip counting is the repeated addition. So every time we are going to repeat the same number and we will add the number.
Ma'am.
Shawnit is showing something. Shawnit, you don't have
Do we have to share this in
keys
the
or
drive?
anything? Yes, Kiasha?
Ma'am, do we have to share this in the drive?
Of course. You have to click a picture and share it in your drive.
Okay.
Shawnit, but I told you not to have the chickpeas or the peanuts or something like that.
Ma'am, I have done. Can I show you?
No, first complete it and then show me. I'll click a picture.
I've done.
Try to complete. And today we are doing the skip counting of 5. I want everyone to do the skip counting of 2 and 10 at your home the same way and upload the picture in the drive. Yes?
See mine's, ma'am.
You have completed, Aisha?
Ma'am.
Complete it and then show. I've already seen yours once. So complete it and then show.
Look at mine. See my arm. Okay, ma'am.
Wonderful, Dheer. See, everyone, Dheer has already done. And he has done the correct way. All are correct.
Done.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Superb, Dheer. You all can see how Dheer has done.
Can you share your screen?
Can you all see Dheer, how Dheer has done? The same way you all have to do. Every time you have to take 5 and you have to add 5, right? 5, then 5, then 5, then 5. And each time what Dheer has done, he has added the number 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. So this is the correct way, Dheer. Superb.